Hey guys, it's Lori, your Cheeky Crafter. Now this is not my normal video where I'm going to show you how I put the cards together. I'm just going to show you the pictures of the cards once they're completed. And that's because I did this a little differently. My friend and fellow crafter Bev Stotz, and Bev, I'm sorry if I said your name wrong, challenged me. She's jokingly saying, you should use a whole kit and do nothing but scrap cards. Because she says my favorite cards in a collection are the ones that I save at the end and make using the scraps. So after I had made a few cards in the collection, I said, you know what? Challenge accepted. So I had made, I think, 4 cards. They were the first ones shown. And after that, I just took the rest of the pattern paper in the pack, cut it all up into different shapes, mostly strips, and then just started assembling using some various different dies to decorate or sticker. Actually, I don't know if I use any stickers. Anyway, some dies. I used very little ink, very little stamping. And you can see I used the enamel dots, and I used mostly sentiments from the Stamps of Life other collections. And these are just the cards that I made. I was able to make 27 cards total using just scraps. So that's a pretty good record using, calling it scraps. Really, it's the full paper pack, but just cut up into scraps. I still have some of the cardstock left over because, of course, I didn't do as much matting this time. But I did use all of the embellishments. So you can see I used those felt scallops, the chipboards, and the enamel dots. I didn't use all the ribbon, sorry. I only used some ribbon. I actually used ribbon from another collection on those first couple of cards. But anyway, these are all the different cards I made. I'm going to finish it out with a little bit of music. I hope you enjoy. And if you have a good challenge for me, if you'd like me to see something or do something with a set of cards that I don't normally do, or if you've got an idea for a challenge, please feel free to leave it in the comments. Happy to give it a try. Thanks again, Bev, for the idea. You guys have a great day, week, month, whenever you're watching this. I appreciate you.